Hello everyone. Today I received a box in the mail from UPS. So let's go ahead and open it, shall we? Alright, so here is the Paramount Plus gift box that I got from UPS today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So I've already sliced it open, so let's take a look and see what's inside. It says, "Your Great Reality Escaped, Paramount Plus." And inside we got some goodies. So it looks like we got some RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars zipper purse thing. We've got some tattoos from Ink Master. Cool. We got this card from Paramount Plus. I believe it's some type of subscription to Paramount Plus. There's a QR code in there, but I won't show that. We also got Survivor Custom Edition. I like their head wraps. Yeah, that's what they are. Like little head wraps or scarves or all kinds of different things you can do with them. So that's kind of cool. There's like a couple of them. Maybe one. Maybe it's just one. Also in the box is a shirt. It says The Challenge on it. It is size large. Let's take a look at it here. The Challenge. Oh, MTV The Challenge. Okay. Kind of like the Real World, Road Rules thing, I think. Also in here, there's Are You the One? This is lemon verbena hand-poured candle. Ooh. Also in the box are a pair of slippers. HOH. So I don't know if that is from Big Brother. Must be. It must be. Pair of slippers. And then the last thing that's in here is wrapped up in bubble wrap is Bar Rescue, and it's a beer mug. It's a glass beer mug. So that's pretty cool. And I believe that's everything that's in the box. Plus all the fun little confetti stuff you can play with. Yay, party! I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing of my Paramount gift box. And I found out about that from Tom from iWINContests. He put out an urgent sweep on Discord saying 5 days ago there were a chance for 311 winners of this gift box. So it was a one-day thing, so I got my entry in, and I was one of the 311 people that got a Paramount gift box. Pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching.